Hey guys, it's Bodie with IPTVWire.com. In this video, I'm going to be continuing my series covering the best free live TV or IPTV applications in 2024 that not only provide hundreds of free live channels, but also provide hundreds of movies and on-demand TV shows, all for free with just watching a few ads. So guys, before I dive more into this platform, which is Tubi, as you can see here, I first want to note that Tubi is available inside reputable app stores. This includes Google Play, Amazon, Roku, and also Apple. So I'm on the Google Play Store here for Tubi. You'll see it has over 100 million downloads and almost 2 million reviews with a 4.7 out of 5 stars. That's extremely impressive. And based on this, I can be 100% sure that Tubi is verified and legal to use on our devices. So you'll see here I'm on TubiTV.com, and you can access this using any web browser, but I'm going to show you the streaming application on my Fire Stick here shortly. But I just want to let you know that you can use Tubi on any web browser. So many are actually not aware that Tubi has live TV. I believe they just added this a few years ago. And their content library is continuing to grow as I'm scrolling through here, and there's hundreds of free live channels provided by Tubi. So now guys, I'm going to head over to my Amazon Fire Stick and show you the streaming application version of Tubi. All right, so I just plugged in my Amazon Fire Stick 4K Max, and you'll see I already have the Tubi application installed. But guys, if you do not have Tubi installed, all you would need to do is install it from your respective app store. So on a Fire Stick or Fire TV device, all you would do is hover over Find, click Search, and then you would type in Tubi. So you'll see I'm typing in Tubi, and right here Tubi populates below. Go ahead and click that. And here is the Tubi application under apps and games. So since I already have it installed, I can't reinstall it. But if you don't have it installed, you'd simply click Tubi right here, and then you would install it in a few clicks. So once you have installed the Tubi application on your device, you would just simply hover over it and then launch it here. So I'm going to launch Tubi on my Fire Stick here for the first time after installing. And what I noticed right away is that Tubi actually just went through a rebrand. The logo looks different. The color scheme also looks different as well. So it looks like I'm doing this little short video review here in a good time. So here's the main menu as I launch Tubi for the first time. I'm going to go ahead and click skip. And then it might prompt me to create an account, as it says right here. Tubi is better when you sign in. So there's a few features or benefits that you get when you do create an account on Tubi. You can add content to your list, save your progress, can make better recommendations. But I'm just going to click continue as a guest. I personally just don't like, providing my email and password to really any platform for that matter. So that's one of the best features of Tubi, is that you can simply start using it without creating an account or logging into anything. So on the left here, you'll see the different options for Tubi. Now this includes home, my stuff, categories, networks, Espanol, settings, search, and there's also a kids category here as well. So if you click categories, this will just show you all the different categories provided by Tubi, and there are a ton as I'm scrolling through here. Now the networks option just shows you some of the biggest networks that Tubi does have. So A&E, Con TV, Complex, Fox, Fox Sports, LOL Network, and it looks like some other ones here as well, FilmRise, Fox Soul, etc., etc. So that's cool to see as well. There's a few settings here, so I'm going to go through that kind of probably towards the end of this video. But if you go back to the home screen to access live channels, you'll notice on top there are 3 options here. There's movies, TV shows, and live TV. So if you click live TV, this will launch the electronic program guide provided by Tubi. And here is the guide as I'm scrolling through. So on the left-hand side, you'll notice some of the categories. So it has recommended, featured, recently added, national news, sports on Tubi, business news, global news, weather, entertainment news, Espanol, and also some local options if you're located in some major cities in the United States. So as I'm scrolling through here, some of the channels that caught my attention when going through this is number 1, the NBA G League TV. So I believe this is maybe a year ago that Tubi became the exclusive provider of NBA G League coverage. So if you're into basketball and into the NBA, this would be a good option to stream for free. Other notable channels include Dateline NBC, we have Ion, It looks like we have NBC News, CBS News, Discovery, Fox Sports, NFL, MLB, hockey. And as I'm scrolling through, we have NBC News Live. So a lot of news and entertainment channels, USA Today, Cheddar News. And if I'm scrolling through here, I'm going to look on the left. Those are some sports options, but it also has some weather. So we have Fox Weather, TMZ Network if you're into the entertainment options, Fox Soul. Tubi Originals is a really good channel that I found myself watching before as well. Some game show options here too. And those are just the basic overview of channels. You guys can scroll through this on your free time as well. So that's really cool to see. Now, if I hover up top, what Tubi is actually best known for is its on-demand content offering. So if I click movies, it has thousands of free on-demand movies and TV shows. So here's some of the categories we have featured. Some notable titles here as well. That one I actually watched about a month ago. And so the great part about Tubi is they're constantly expanding their content library. So here's some of the categories: recommended, leaving soon. So these titles are actually leaving Tubi's platform soon. Recently added. So continue watching. So you can do this if you sign into an account. Award winners and nominees. Sci-fi fantasy, classics is a really good category that I enjoy. Movie night, family movies, foreign films, martial arts, and a ton more. So new releases is a cool category as well if you want to scroll through their library filled with movies. And if I come back up top, now I'm going to take a look at the TV shows. So if you have to scroll all the way to the top, click TV shows. And again, here it has similar categories. We have featured, recommended TV, thrillers, docu-series, which is very popular. I know Netflix has a lot of docu-series right now. That's a very good show right there that I've seen. So a lot of very familiar titles as I'm scrolling through here. We have romance, horror, westerns, recently added. So recently added is a cool category I like to go through. I also really like the nostalgia TV category. Tom and Jerry, Scooby-Doo, all sorts of good classics here. I remember when I was a kid watching. So just some really cool categories provided by Tubi. Not on Netflix, another cool category as well. And Tubi really does shine in the VOD or video on demand department with its free movies and TV shows. But it does offer, I believe, more than 200 or 300 live channels now as of this video recording. And that is the reason for me making this video. I just want to let you guys know about some of these live offerings that the Tubi platform now has at its disposal. So if I come back here, just a few other things I want to show you, some of the settings. So if you click settings on the left, just some parental controls you can add here. There's some video settings, auto start, video previews, some closed caption settings, just about, report a problem, privacy center, etc., etc. And the other thing I did not mention yet is there's also a ton of content for kids. So there's a whole Tubi Kids platform here. There's featured, there's furry friends, kids shows. So if you have kids, I mean, this is a great option here. Tons of different content that is completely free to stream with just watching ads. So that's it, guys. Again, this is Bodie with IPTV Wire. Be sure to leave me a comment below on what you prefer with Tubi. Is this your favorite application? Do you prefer any other applications for live channels? Like this video as well. And guys, also be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I hope you all have a great day.